The National Weather Service in Los Gatos City has issued a tornado emergency. Los Angeles, California, Los Altos, San Diego, San Antonio, San Francisco, Santa Barbara. National Weather Service stop window. You can tornado emergency and severe thunderstorm and don't enter outside and eat food and don't play on toys and don't play on computer, phone. And severe actions against this EAS message has issued tornado emergency and don't watch TV. For work this morning I have been issued. Emergency please email address, take cover now, take cover now. The follow message has issued everything you have received this communication, and any attachments may include one and eat food. Tornado emergency has been issued. This is not a test. Don't drive in car. Take cover now. Take cover now. Take cover now.
This EAS message has been end. This EAS message has been end. Cheat. Ooh,